Okay, so this lecture is about a problem which is, an application of the Rolle's theorem. Okay, mean value theorem, right? So this had previously appeared in the CSIR NET exam. Okay, CSIR NET exam, and problems of this type also often appear in the advanced JEE advanced and JEE main exams. Okay, sometimes they do occur because these problems are conceptual and analytic. Okay, so let's check the problem. The problem says that if a0, a1, a2, so on till an are real numbers such that a0 over n plus 1 plus a1 over n and so on till an equals to 0, then show that there exists at least, this is not such that, okay, this is show that there exists at least one x belonging to the open interval 0 comma 1 such that a0 x to the power n plus a1 x to the power a1 x to the power n minus 1 and so on till an is equals to 0. This is the problem. Okay, so how to solve this problem? See, this is pretty easy to solve. Acha. So what we do is that we assume a function. Let's say let f of x is equals to a0 x to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus a1 x to the power n over n and so on till an times x. Okay, an times x, and this is the function which we take. This is the function which we take. A subscript n comma 6. Okay. Acha. Now see what is the value of f of 0. So f of 0 is 0, right? F of 1 is a0 over n plus 1 plus a1 over n so on till an, and by the problem this is also equals to 0. Therefore f of 0 is equals to f of 1. This is one condition we get. Okay, acha. Further, this is kind of evident that f of f is basically f and f dash both. If f is continuous, first of all we must say that f is continuous in 0 1 and f dash exists in 0 1, right? What is the reason? They are polynomial functions are continuous, right? Also f0 is equals to f of 1 in, let's say, this interval only 0 comma 1. Okay, closed interval 0 to 1. Therefore, so when these three conditions are satisfied, therefore we can easily apply Rolle's theorem. Therefore, by Rolle's theorem, there exists some x in the open interval 0 comma 1 such that f dash of x is equals to 0. That implies, okay, so what is this f dash of x? So this becomes a0 times n plus 1 into x to the power n by n plus 1 plus a1 times n times x to the power n minus 1 by n and so on till an, which should be equal to 0. That implies a0 x to the power n plus a1 x to the power n minus 1 till an minus 1 x plus an is equals to 0. And this is what you needed to prove. Okay, so simple problem, short lecture, interesting one, right? So what we do basically here is that we assume a function which gives the exact results as given in the problem, and using that function we apply Rolle's theorem to the function to get our desired answer, required answer. Okay, these sort of question might be appearing in your JEE Advanced and Main, because these questions are kind of obvious and conceptual and analytic kind. Analytic in the sense, you can analyze the question if you have your concepts clear. Got it? And this is also appears in the CSI net exam. Okay? So this is all for this lecture, guys. Meet you guys in the next lecture.